guys, welcome back for another YouTube video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aisha, Ice Cream, and I post videos once a week on a Sunday. If you're returning, then welcome back. Thank you for returning. So today's video, as the title suggests, I'm going to be talking to you about how much small YouTubers like myself make on YouTube. The reason I thought I'd do this video is, first of all, because people are hella nosy and they like to know these kind of things, because I am one of those people. But also I thought it'd be really useful for anybody who's considering starting YouTube, who may be curious about maybe how much they might be able to make on YouTube. With that being said, if you are thinking of starting YouTube just for the money, I would definitely say don't do it, because at the end of the day, the passion is not going to be there. You're not going to engage with your followers, and you probably won't make money for a long time anyway, so definitely do it because you enjoy it. For me, YouTube is like something that I am well and truly obsessed with. Like, I watch more YouTube than I do TV, and I remember a few years back, I was like, I really want to do this, but I can't edit videos. So then I thought, okay, let me teach myself how to edit videos, and then once I learned how to do that, then I was like, okay, let's do this. And it took a while before I managed to like jump into it, but I got there in the end, and I've been consistent ever since. So yeah, definitely do it for the right reasons. There are a few different ways that YouTubers make money. So well, three main ways anyway. So the first one is through the YouTube Partner Program. So as of last year, YouTube changed kind of the policy around that. So when I started, anybody could join the partner program, and if you don't know what the partner program is, it's basically where you can have adverts in your video, and then YouTube pays you a certain percentage of the revenue made from the adverts. So yeah, as of last year, they introduced something where basically you have to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to be eligible to be part of the partner program. And luckily for me, I had literally just passed that threshold. So yeah, if you're not there yet, then you can't monetize your videos. However, if you work hard, if you're consistently passionate about what you're doing, then you will grow your channel and you'll get there eventually. So be patient. The second main way that YouTubers make money is through affiliate marketing. So through the affiliate links that people will often leave links in the description section of their videos, and they'll direct you to that video, which is usually kind of a link to something that they featured in the video, and then if you buy the product using that link, then they get a certain percentage of the revenue. And then the third way is through sponsorships, and that's probably the one that brings in the most revenue, to be honest. So the way that works is that YouTubers will approach brands, or brands will approach YouTubers to work together, and then they get paid for that. So they're the three main kind of ways. So with the in-video adverts, I know some people like might think, oh my god, like why are you putting that in? But actually, like, you need to think about it, that YouTube is like a second job. Well, for people like myself who work full-time and then you come home and then you got YouTube as well, it is like a full-time, it's like another job that takes a lot of time. Filming, editing, all that is hard work. So, you know, it's only right that YouTubers get paid for it. And like I said, that's one of the ways that you can do that. So the way it works then with pay is that you get paid by every 1,000 views that you get. So it's called a CPM, and the CPM you get, so the amount you get per 1,000 views, varies from channel to channel, and even it can vary from within one channel within the different videos you do. So basically, I believe videos that are based on like kind of financial stuff, they tend to have much higher CPMs than something like a prank video, which is supposedly meant to have like one of the lowest CPMs. So what that basically means is you could have one channel that does videos about, I don't know, credit cards and how to save money, and then another channel who does just prank videos, and they could both have 500,000 views, but this one would be paid more money. So you can't look at two YouTubers and think, oh, these are about the same size, they'll probably get paid the same amount. That isn't necessarily the case. So for me then, so when I started my video in May. I started my channel in May, and I was literally not expecting to make any money. I remember years and years ago, before I even started making YouTube videos, I watched a video of Patricia Bright, and I think it was like a Q&A video, and I think somebody asked her how much she made on YouTube, or how long it took before she started making money, and she was saying that it took her 6 or 7 years before she even started making a penny on YouTube. So from way back then, like, I never in my wildest dreams thought that I would start making videos, start making money anytime soon. So it was a huge surprise when I did. Basically, like I said, I started my videos, my channel in May, and then my second video was the turban video that you may have seen, and that video just blew up big time, like really blew up. I think it's had over like 460,000 views so far. It's crazy. 460,000 views, if that's not what I just said. I'm so tired, it's so late. But yeah, that blew up. And then like, because before then, so from May, June, July, August, so from May to September, I was actually making a little bit of income, but then when it got to October, it was enough for me to get paid, because the way it works is you have to meet a threshold before YouTube, well, Google AdSense, whatever, YouTube, before they pay the money into your account. So when it got to October, that video had really just blown up and made me so much money. So I got paid £112 for that, and I'll leave that on my screen so you can see that in my Google AdSense account. But then ever since then, it's not been that high. So I've had periods such as over the Christmas period, where I think typically you tend to find that your revenue goes up around that time, because obviously you've got loads of different brands wanting to advertise and stuff like that. Typically I get paid kind of like £35, £30 to £35 a month, which means that I have to wait until the month after before I meet my £60 or $100 threshold to get paid the money into my account. This month it's been quite a good month so far, so it's at kind of $50 odd. So yeah, like it really does vary, and it really depends on views, not subscribers, as a lot of people think. People think the more subscribers you get, the more money you make, but it's more about the views, because YouTube want people to stay on their platform. So if your videos are keeping people here, then they are going to reward that. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this is where I'm at currently. So it's on 55.35, my estimated revenue is what they call it. And then on the 15th of each month, then they'll basically put what you've made into your AdSense account. So this is your AdSense account, and as you can see, here's the £112 payment that I told you that I managed to generate as a result of the turban video that I posted in May. And then here you can just see my typical earnings, which fluctuates quite a bit. Some months, as you can see, are better than others, but yeah, that's pretty much the way that it works. So yeah, like the amount that YouTubers make, small YouTubers like myself make, it's not huge, but of course it's a great supplement to kind of my salary that I make at work. So, but also it varies greatly from different channels. You know, you could have 1,000 subscribers and then you have a video that blows up, and then it could bring you a load of money, but that is quite rare. It's not that easy to have a video that really like just blows up just like that. There's definitely luck involved. So yeah, hopefully that has been quite helpful for you, quite insightful. Is it what you were expecting? Is it not what you were expecting? And in case you're wondering why I keep jumping from dollars to pounds, it's because in AdSense it shows it in pounds, and then in YouTube it shows it in dollars. Don't know why. But yeah, it's just interesting stuff to know, I guess. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and leave any questions or anything down below, especially if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel or whatever, and I'll see what I can do to help you out with your answers. I'll catch you in my next video, guys. Bye.